The starting point for all of us is that we found out that robots and automation are such a critical part of moving into the future. A lot of customers that we talk to, a lot of manufacturers we talk to have said, I've been trying to automate, I've been thinking about automation, but I haven't been able to do it.
We have a limited number of people. Where can we put this valuable headcount in the most meaningful place possible? Somewhere we can engage their hands, their minds, and their hearts beyond just doing this all day long and all the safety and ergonomic challenges that come along with that.
And so we started this business really with the focus of accessibility. How can we make it as easy as humanly possible and as little risk as humanly possible for people to adopt automation?
I would say the business model that Formic is offering is perfect for our organization. We went from one in Washington, and now we're going to be close to 12 units and looking at additional automation for other processes.
It's incredible to see how many people we've been able to help automate for the first time. So that's something we're really, really proud of.
That is total flexibility and the absolute elimination of risk when it comes to robotics and automation.